Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really cute layered card for you. This is my fall porcupine layered card. How cute is that little porcupine there in the center? You have him dancing around those little pumpkins, you've got some fall foliage around, and then that fun hello fall sentiment there at the top. There's a spot on the inside for your message. And of course I included an envelope as well. This card is really fun to put together and it comes together really quickly, and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project you're going to need your Cricut cutting machine, a standard grip or light grip cutting mat, scoring wheel or scoring stylus, your Cricut brayer, Cricut scraper, Cricut weeding tool, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know all of our different materials, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. Okay, here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you don't have an account on my website already, you can go to the sign up button and you'll be brought to a page with all of our different membership tiers. We have free, basic, and premium memberships. You can take a look at all the different options that are included with each tier and select which one is right for you. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. I'm going to go ahead and add my credentials and log into the website. And now I'm logged into my account. To access the file libraries, you can use the main navigation bar and select Files. This file is free, so it's available to all different membership tiers. Those with free memberships can find the file in the Free Files page. Basic and Premium members can find the file in the File Library. For this project, you'll want to look for number 816, that is the Fall Porcupine layered card. Go ahead and download the file to your computer. Make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, and click Open, then Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the file has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of these score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this little icon here to drop down the layers. Highlight this top layer. Come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score. Highlight the group and attach. And now we need to do the same thing for the card base. Click on that icon, highlight that top score line, come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score. Highlight the group and attach. Once you have the score lines converted for the envelope and for the card base, you can go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to layer up our front cover panel. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to put all of these different pieces together, but from back to front, you're going to start with the orange layer, brown, green, yellow, and then black. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I put all these different pieces together, and I will show you what it looks like when I'm all finished. And there is our cute little front cover panel. I'm going to set that to the side for just a minute. Let's go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel. I'm going to set that to the side. Now let's take our card base, go ahead and rotate it, and we're going to fold and burnish along the score line. Go ahead and open up the card base and attach the messaging panel to the inside. And let's close up the card base. And we can attach our front cover panel to the front of the card. And our card is all set. I'm going to set that to the side so everything can go ahead and dry. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take our inlay panel and glue along the outer edge of that inlay. Flip the inlay around and place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Go ahead and spin the envelope, fold those side flaps in, add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. How adorable is this card? Didn't it come together really quickly? I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you share it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I've got a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next card making video. Bye-bye.